What's wrong with gold? Why is it just sitting there? Maybe some of you are wondering. Now, for those of you who know me, you know that I think gold is basically, it's a terrible investment. It's not even an investment, and it certainly is not money, as people call it, all right? But there are times when you can trade gold, and I do trade gold. And by the way, I'm a former COMEX gold trader, so I know a little bit about gold, probably a lot more than a lot of these gold bug idiots out there who are, constantly telling you to buy gold. They really don't know anything. And by the way, last year, long before the Fed raised interest rates in December and gold was going down, 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 I said, you buy it the minute the Fed raises rates. And I gave my reasons for that. That's a fiscal stimulus. That's a fiscal injection. That is real money printing, not the fake kind that so many of these idiot gold bugs didn't understand when central banks were conducting monetary operations. So anyway, back to the question. What's wrong with gold? Why is it just kind of languishing here? I did tell people to buy it last year. If you bought it in December when the Fed raised rates, it went up, started going up literally the day that the Fed raised rates. But right now, gold is waiting for another rate increase. And I think ultimately it's going to happen and gold will trade higher. One of the worst things for gold is that it is always, pushed and recommended by these idiots, people like Peter Schiff who don't know what they're talking about. And that gets people into gold at all the wrong moments. And it makes them stay in gold way past the time when you should. All right. So, none of them were saying buy gold down at the bottom, especially the day the Fed raised rates. I was the only one. And it has gone up. And recently, after an already big rise, they were saying get in. And of course, people got in, listened to those fools, and it's done nothing. We got to wait. Got to wait for the next rate increase. And you could actually probably just, if you wanted to move to the sidelines right now and wait for that increase and get in, that's probably also a decent strategy. But I'm in from a much lower level, and I do think we will see another rate hike, probably more than one this year. So gold will trend higher. But again, stocks do much better than gold on an inflation-adjusted basis. And if you reinvest or invest in dividends and automatic dividend reinvestment, you will do very well, much better actually in stocks than in gold. But I just wanted to give you that gold update. Maybe some of you were wondering. That's it for now. Bye.